Dedicate this award to my state, Maharashtra, because I think the people of Maharashtra have these two amazing qualities, that is responsibility and strength. Every award is very, very special, but today is even more special because I'm standing on stage with a living legend. Somebody, the reason why I think actors become actors, and that's Dharamji. Thank you so much. Well, जैसे मुकेश जी ने भी कहा कि award से जिम्मेदारी भी बढ़ती है पर शक्ति भी. So I'd like to dedicate this award to my state, Maharashtra, because I think the people of Maharashtra have these two amazing qualities, that is responsibility and strength. And thank you so much, my wonderful state, for making me a part of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karina.
नहीं, आई थिंक दैट जैसे मैंने स्टेज पे भी कहा कि हर अवार्ड बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, अच्छा लगता है, एक्टर्स को अच्छा लगता है, बट आई थिंक an award for the state of Maharashtra, I think that is even more special because it's just a sense of belonging कि you belong to this particular state. तो I think इतनी बड़ी award, जैसे मैंने कहा, responsibility भी बढ़ जाती है अभी to be a good citizen. So let's see, of course, हम कोशिश तो जारी है, struggle तो अभी भी जारी है.
That's too modest of you to say struggle.
As always.
But pride of the nation, obviously pride of Bollywood. You are a combination of talent and intellect both coming together. Like, you've seen as a youth icon, any message that you would like to give to your fans? I mean, anything that.
Well, I think that nothing should deter a person, following their dreams, following their heart, whatever it may be, they should just, follow that and believe in themselves, because I've always done that.
Right.
And, and don't believe everything.
Don't believe everything, okay. 2016 has started on a great positive note for you. Lots of accolades coming from for Kiyanaka. Obviously, Udta Punjab is there, it's in the midst of a censorship.
Yeah.
What is your take, Karina? Why does it keep happening?
No, well, I think that, no matter what, I have full faith, in the film. I have full faith in Abhishek Chaubey. And also I have full faith in the fans.
Correct.
बहुत बड़े बड़े stars हैं उस फिल्म में, बहुत सबके बहुत fans हैं, and they're all very, very excited. And I think the reason, I would just like to say, the reason that I did Udta Punjab was, I think that there's no small role or big role. And even if my role is a special role in the film, but I think the reason being that if we actors don't do these kind of films, the message will never be heard.
Correct. And you are also a Punjabi, and given the kind of drug menace that
Absolutely.
which is going on from Udta Punjab.
But that's the reason I chose to do the film, because I've done many films in the past, and बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में की हैं, of course, which is about me, and which I've played a pivotal role in it. But I chose to be a part of this film because I think that it's important that this message gets told.
Right. Absolutely.
Which I'm sure is going to come on screen,
Absolutely.
so they're going to watch it.
There is one thing that is very special about you every time you step out for an event, that is the way you dazzle audience, the way you look, the way you dress up. How do you do it so effortlessly all the time?
Because of the bright hoardings. Because he's going to put it up on his hoarding, so I have to look good. That's why.
but if there is a style that you
I mean, fit, I think that everybody knows. I think आजकल मेरे से बहुत कई actresses हैं जो और fit होती है. मुझे तो सिर्फ खाना खाना पसंद है. And I think that जैसे आपने कहा कि I'm a Punjabi, and I'm a Punjabi at दिल से भी पंजाबी हूँ, and I enjoy eating my food.
Right. One last thing, every time we keep hearing, every time you go to London, you come back.
Yeah, every time I go on a holiday.
Is there motherhood? Is there an impending motherhood in waiting?
Well, I'm a woman, na. So I mean, God willing, hopefully. But right now there's nothing to say about it.
There's nothing. I mean, these are just rumors.
No, but the fact that you all are talking about me, I'm very excited. I have 5 hidden children in London.